If you want to manage your business email more efficiently, then this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an email forwarder and a domain forwarder from CPanel in Bluehost, step by step. This is super useful if you want messages sent to one address to automatically land in another inbox, or if you need to forward mail from one domain to a completely different domain. It's a simple way to stay organized, save time, and make sure you never miss an important message. And before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel and it lets me know to keep making more step-by-step guides for you. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the hosting section and click on it. This will take you to the tools and settings for your website hosting plan. From there, find CPanel email and open it. Bluehost organizes a lot of email features inside CPanel, so this is where we need to be to set up forwarding. Now that you're in the CPanel email area, look for forwarders and click on it. This is the section where you can manage both individual email forwarding and domain forwarding. After the forwarders page opens, click continue if prompted. That will take you into the full forwarders interface. Let's start with the email forwarder first. Click add forwarder. Here, you'll be asked to enter the email username you want to forward. For example, if you want to forward info@yourdomain.com, you would type info in the username field. Then choose your domain from the drop-down menu so Bluehost knows which address you're working with. Next, look at the destination section. Make sure you select forward to email address. This tells Bluehost that every message sent to that email address should be redirected to another inbox. Now enter the destination email address where you want those messages to arrive. This could be your Gmail, another business inbox, or any email account you check regularly. Once everything looks correct, click Add Forwarder. Bluehost will create the rule, and from that point on, any email sent to the original address will automatically be forwarded to the destination inbox you selected. This is great if you have contact forms, sales emails, support emails, or team inboxes that need to reach the right person quickly. Instead of logging into multiple accounts, you can funnel everything into one place and stay more organized. Now let's move on to the domain forwarder. A domain forwarder is a little different. Instead of forwarding one email address, it forwards email from one entire domain to another domain. So if messages are going to addresses on one domain, they can be redirected to another domain automatically. To do that, stay in CPanel and remain in the forwarders section. Then click Add Domain Forwarder. On this screen, select the source domain first. This is the domain that currently receives the email. After that, enter the destination domain, which is the domain where you want the mail to go instead. When both fields are filled in correctly, click Add Domain Forwarder. Bluehost will apply the setting and the domain level forwarding rule will be active. This can be helpful during domain changes, rebranding, or when you're moving email traffic from one domain to another. It saves you from manually updating every possible address one by one. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to create an email forwarder and a domain forwarder from CPanel in Bluehost. The process is quick, beginner-friendly, and extremely useful for keeping your email workflow clean and efficient. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.